Hi guys, as you can see I'm not in my normal setting, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime with Suave Kids body wash, some salt, and you're also going to need something to mix in and to mix with. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is going to be your Suave Kids shampoo, and it can be also 2-in-1 shampoo, but I'm just going with the ones I have. After that, you're going to add in your salt. Okay, so I have some salt here, and just add all of that in. Whoops, fell down. Add all of that salt. Now you just mix it up, and after I mix it up, I'll be right back. You know when your slime's ready when it's all fogged up real good, and that it's not that clear. So I'll be right back when it's all foggy. Okay guys, so it is really foggy, as you guys can see, and I'll do some slime poking, and of course you can put it in the freezer for about 25 minutes if you want to, but this is like instant slime, just if you want to put it in the freezer if you want to. I don't know about freezing it, but yeah. So I'll go to a more natural lighting right now, so yeah, I'll be right back. Okay you guys, I just wanted to show you guys a really pretty thing. So it's a real flower in a globe, like what? So yeah, I'll do some slime poking right now. Here we go. This kind of sticks to your finger, but I would say it is good slime. And this is like a starter slime. I would call it a starter slime if you don't have no glue or borax or any kind of stuff that regular slime has, but this is more like jelly slime. So it doesn't make that much noise. I would definitely recommend putting it in a little plastic bag and tie it, but this is more like starter slime. So thanks for watching guys. Subscribe, like, and comment down below what kind of slime you guys want me to do next, and I'll also be trying a new recipe of slime I have found on YouTube. So, and I'm also going to be testing out slime recipes, so make sure you leave in the comments, and make sure you subscribe to join the A.R.M.Y unicorn group. So thanks for watching guys, bye.